finally in Toledo. First stop is the gates.
The gates of Bisagra.
Yeah, it's called Puerta de Bisagra. And this is the gate. The entrance, I don't know. Let me check my facts. I fact checked. And I am in Puerta de Bisagra Nueva, which is the new gate to the city of Toledo. Okay, it carries the coat of arms of Emperor Charles V, or what is that? Carlos V. Okay, so the great thing about the city is that it's tiny enough that we can explore it by walking. And on top of that, this entire city is actually declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. So just walking is a tourist attraction. Billy and your girl Ian. Oh, I love that. Second stop. Second stop is Cathedral Primada Santa Maria de Toledo.
Pwede mamili.
Fun fact, this cathedral is one of 3 13th century high Gothic cathedrals in Spain. This is the cathedral's facade. So a while ago we went to the side entrance, which was free actually, so you didn't have to pay. This one, I think, if you want to explore the rest of the cathedral, you need to pay like €5. Exposición Brujería. Stop number 3, we are at the Brujería, which is essentially a museum of witchcraft. Off to our next destination, which is food. Mercado de San Agustín. It's time to eat. Croquetas y calamares. Solo. Did you like the croquetas? Muy delicioso. Our first paella. Oh my god. It took us this long. The best, the black rice with alioli. Because my name is so complicated, it being Ayn, it's okay, bless you. I've decided to just stick with my alter ego, Rosie, for all my name-related purchases.
When you're not wearing the hat, how are you, Rosie?
Why do you have an accent?
Hold on. Take 2. Hello, darling. Welcome back. My name is Rosie. Anyway, as I was saying, with this beret and the complication of my name being Ayn, I've just decided to embrace my alter ego and become Rosie in Starbucks. Damien.
She doesn't even go here.
Second to the last stop of the day, we're heading to the Alcázar. super kilig. The view is amazing. This is how we take our Instagram photos back. Ayan siya, iniilawan ng araw. Hello, I'm back. So this is our, okay, you can't actually see it, but our second to the last stop is the Alcázar of Toledo. So the view is super gorgeous. Nico. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayn, the tour guide. Over here to my right, we have the Alcázar de Toledo, which is a stone fortification that rests on the highest point of the city of Toledo. Fun fact, this was used at one point during the Roman Empire as a palace. Would you believe it? Hey guys, we have penetrated the Alcázar. Okay, we went to Planta C, and essentially the 4th floor. And here's a view of the rest of Toledo. Beautiful. Actually a cafeteria, but we're not buying anything. We just want to see the view. Hey guys, so we did end up buying. Sabi ko di kami bibili kasi nagtitipid eh. Pero
It's a library.
Final stop before we head back to Madrid is the Greco Museum and house. So our last stop was the Greco Museum, and it's basically a museum dedicated to the work and the life of El Greco, who is a celebrated artist here in Toledo. It's mostly recreations of his work because the original ones are found and stored in bigger museums across Europe. It was just a nice learning experience, I would say. And I are just hanging out by the river to see the view of the sunset before we finally head back to Madrid. Hey guys! How are you?
A little tired, but still popping.
You have to say it in a British accent. Okay, this is it. We're heading home soon. Bye!
No, dos, tres.
Stay confident!
Porque